This video is full of tips and tricks to solve the number of triangles in a given figure, and these types of questions are asked in most of the government examinations, and usually you will find at least 1 to 2 questions in every architecture entrance examination such as NATA, JEE Mains Paper 2, AAT, etc. So let's move on further. So at the end of this video, you will be able to find out the number of triangles in these types of figures within seconds with full confidence. So watch the video very carefully till the very end. So let's start. And one more thing, I would advise you to take down the notes while you watch the video, so that this way you will remember these things for longer period of time. So type 1 we have when the triangle is divided vertically. So as you can see in the first one, you can simply say that there is only one triangle. Okay. In the second one, what we will do, we will number them 1 and 2. Simply add them. 1 plus 2 became 3. Okay. So as you can see over here, one triangle, second triangle, and whole third triangle. So there are 3 triangles. Similarly for this one, we will number them 1, 2 and 3. Now add them. 1 plus 2 plus 3. This becomes 6. So over here there are 3 triangles, 1, 2 and 3. When you join these two, so you will get fourth triangle. When you join these two, you will get fifth triangle, and this whole one is the last triangle. So there are total of 6 triangles. So what we can derive from here is that there is a formula. We have to simply add. We have to add natural numbers. Natural numbers. That is n into n plus 1 by 2. So over here n is the number of sections. So this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now put 5 in place of n. 5 into 5 plus 1 is 6 by 2. You will get 15 triangles. Now second type we have when the triangle is divided into horizontal sections. Horizontal sections. Okay, so in the first one you can simply say that there is only one triangle. So over here we will count them. One triangle and two triangles. Here similarly 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so what we can say, that number of triangles is equal to number of horizontal lines. Okay, so as you can see in this one there are 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4. So there will be 4 triangles. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. In type 3 we have when the triangle is divided into horizontal and vertical sections both. So it is horizontal and vertical sections. Okay, so in the first figure, what we will do, first we will take this portion. Okay, and we know the formula for this one, 1, 2. So there are 3 triangles. Okay, now we will take for whole triangle and this portion. Now forget this thing. So similarly 1 and 2, there are 3 triangles. So 3 plus 3, we got 6. Here also 1, 2 and 3. So there are 6 triangles in this one. Okay, similarly for this portion, there will be 6 triangles, like if you forget this one. So 1, 2, 3, 6 triangles. Similarly for this portion also, whole portion, 6 triangles. So there will be 6 into 3, 18. Okay, so what we can, so simply in other words we can say the first procedure, just forget this one. So we will get 6 triangles in full triangle. Okay, and then we will multiply with the number of horizontal lines. So there are 1, 2 and 3. This will become 18. I hope you got it. So in this one we will take this whole triangle, okay, and these vertical sections, these. For time being, just forget these horizontal lines. Okay, so just 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we will have triangles in this figure. 1 5 into 5 plus 1 6 by 2, this will be 15. Okay, so 15 triangle for this one. Now what we will do, we will multiply with the horizontal lines. So we have 4 lines, 1 2 3 and 4 lines. So 15 into 4, this become 60 triangles. Okay, so we have total of 60 triangles in this figure. So type 4 we have when there is a triangle inside a triangle. So triangle inside a triangle. Okay, so in the first one we can see 1 2 3 and 4. So there are 4 triangles inside of it. So interior we have 4 triangles and outside we have only 1 triangle. So exterior we have 1. So this became 5. In the second figure, if you take the inside triangle A, B and C, if you take this thing, so there are 1, 2, 3 and 4. So interior there are 4 triangles and we are not counting this thing now. Okay, now take this whole triangle A, B, C. So there will be 1 triangle, 2 triangle, 3 and 4. So again interior 4 triangles and this whole triangle. So this became exterior 1. So total of 9 triangles. Similarly over here, for this one there will be 4 inside, and for this one 4 inside, for this one 4 inside, and then outer one. So there will be 13 triangles. Hope you got it. In this one if you see, first ignore these lines. Okay, so as you can see, this is a type which we have learnt now. Okay, so there will be 4 inside plus 1 outside, the bigger one. So 5 triangles. Then we have to add these triangles like 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So total of 11 triangles are there. Hope you got it. The only addition is the inside triangle is added. Okay, so what we can say, there will be 11 triangles plus 4 triangles for this one. So there will be 15 triangles. Here we see, if we count them with the simple method, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Okay, 9 and this whole triangle 10. Okay, and now 1 2 and 3. So we have 3 more. This become 13. Now the trick we can see. So as you can see over here, there are 3 sections. 1 2 3, here also 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Okay, so what we will do, we will write 1 2 2 3. Okay, so just copy one over here and add 1 plus 2, this become 3, and 3 plus 3, it became 6. Now add all of them, this becomes 6 plus 1 10. Okay, now go from bottom to top and just leave first digit and take the second one and leave third one, so just take, it becomes 13. Okay, so what if we have triangle like this, add one more section. Okay, so this will be like this. Okay, so as you can see, now there are 1 2 3 4 sections, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Okay, so in this case what we will do, we will write 1 2 3 4 and just copy 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay, 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. Now add all these. So 6 plus 3, 9, 1, 10. It become 20. Okay. Now go from bottom to top and just ignore this one. Take this. Ignore this. Take this. So we will take 6 plus 1. Okay. So 20 plus 6 plus 1. It became 27. So in this figure there are 27 triangles. Hope you got it. I hope today you learned something new and important. Now I am sure that you will be able to solve these types of questions of finding triangles without any problem. Now it's your turn to support this channel by liking the video, sharing with your friends and subscribing this channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video, you never miss it. So follow RKB Studies in Instagram, Facebook and Telegram. There I post the content related to architecture and you can also ask any queries if you have. Thank you for watching.